Narrowed it down to Ideal or Baxi for your new boiler? Let's find out which British giant is best for your home. Ideal offers affordable value, while Baxi is renowned for reliable long-term performance across the UK. Baxi has over 150 years of heritage, known for durability and top-tier customer support. Their award-winning solutions are highly rated on Trustpilot by homeowners for their reliability. With warranties often reaching 10 years, Baxi provides real peace of mind for your central heating. Based in Hull, Ideal leads the market in affordability without sacrificing modern heating tech. The Logic and Vogue models are energy efficient and incredibly easy for engineers to install. Ideal is perfect for compact kitchen cupboards, while Baxi often edges it on overall build quality. Both brands boast high efficiency ratings to help you save significantly on your annual energy bills. Choose Baxi for longevity or Ideal for value. Both are excellent choices for a British home. Subscribe to Boilers2Go to go for more expert heating advice. See you in the next one.